Yeah.
Commission Records.
Well, never think that I would feel the urge. And the truth, I keep my breath in them with them birds.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply fake tattoos and how to make them look real. I'll be using these tattoos that I got on wish.com. This is not a sponsored video, but I got these on Wish for under $3 and it's a 5-pack. So I thought that was a really good bargain. So I'm basically just going to cut out the one that I like or the one that I want to put on. And then after cutting it out, you're just going to remove the film. There's a clear piece of paper. Just remove it from the tattoo before you place it onto your skin. Now what you want to do next is just basically find where exactly you want to put it. I had a problem with this part because I just wanted it to look as real as possible. So I was having a problem kind of figuring out where, but you want to place it facing down, press out all the air, make sure that there's no air trapped underneath and all the edges are laying flat. Then what you're going to do is take a moist cloth or something that is soaking wet, like a wet wipe. I ended up using a wet wipe, and just press that all over the paper until it's completely saturated with water. Using something like a sponge can also work as well. And you just want to make sure all the edges are wet, like completely wet, before you go ahead and remove the paper. It takes about 20 to 30 seconds to completely saturate the paper and for the tattoo to transfer onto your skin. So after that time has passed, I'm going to go ahead and remove the paper gently. You don't want to do this too harsh because you will remove the tattoo. And as you guys can see, I'm just patching to make sure that it's completely dry. And I thought this was a bit naked, so I did go in with a second tattoo. But after that, I'm going to just use this paper towel to kind of press over it to make sure that it's completely dry so that I can move on to the next step. So after that, I'm going to take this concealer that is a little bit darker than my skin tone. You can take one that is your same complexion. And I'm just going to use a small stippling brush to blend out the edges of the tattoo. If you guys could see closely, it does have like a little bit of a film around the edges. So I'm just using the concealer to just blend it out. It's not too harsh, just to blend it out so that it looks way more natural. And then I'm going to take some powder that is my shade as well and just dust it over the tattoo to kind of remove that extremely shiny look that makes it look fake. It does basically look like you just did it when you do take the paper off, but I want to get rid of some of that shininess, so I'm just going to go ahead and dust some powder over it. And this is how it looks after. Totally natural looking and it looks completely real. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a really big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And also guys, go ahead and follow me on all my social media sites. Those will be linked down below. All the details on my hair will be coming soon and my makeup will be down below in the description bar for this Fenty dupe. Alright, I'm gonna link it on the screen as well. Thanks so much for watching guys. Love you so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.